Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add an unsubscribe link to your emails within Outlook. Alright, so there's a few ways we can do this. The first way we're going to jump into is using add-ins on your Outlook account. So what we can do over here is we can go to the bottom left, you'll see more apps. We can either find it over here, or we can just click on new mail over here. We'll create a new mail, and then you want to make sure that your ribbon options, you're on the message tab on the top left. From here, you will see the apps option. Let's click on this, and you want to click on get add-ins. So this is where you will be able to find those add-ins. You'll be able to search. Now, my suggestion is when you are searching, search for the word unsubscribe. So let's go ahead and type that in. And we are going to hit enter. If you give it a few seconds, you will see a few options. Now, the first one is the unsub central. This will allow you to add an unsubscribe link. You can also use the LED squared for Outlook. This will also allow you to do so. And then the mail merge 365. This will also allow you to add an unsubscribe option to your emails. Now, if you don't want to use add-ons, right, you can actually go ahead and you can use, I'm just want to open this up in its own window. You can actually go ahead now. Let's say this is where we are going to add it in, and let's say it says unsubscribe here. We are going to just highlight this, and we're going to come up here to our options, and we are actually going to use this option here, which is the link. So here we're going to click on the insert hyperlink. Okay, so what will happen is when somebody clicks on this unsubscribe here, you are going to add your unsubscribe button, which will be a web address. It'll be a URL to your newsletter. And once that is done, you're going to go ahead and click on OK. And then that will be in your email that you're sending out.